Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be starting an entirely new series where I'm going to be teaching you how to build a project from scratch. This project we are going to be building is going to be a full stack project. We are going to be having our front end, we are going to be having our back end, we are going to be having lots of services because we are going to be using the microservice architecture to build out this project. So you're going to be learning a whole lot in this project. I'm going to be showing you how to Dockerize your application, host it on AWS. It's going to be a project that is going to be having multiple languages because of the microservices architecture that we're going to be using. We're going to be principally working with Node.js, with TypeScript. The front end is going to be in React, and one other front end is going to be in Jest. Then we're also going to be having microservices that are done with Python and C#. So this is going to be a whole lot to learn, and we are going to be taking it stage by stage, one by one. And I'm going to also be teaching you how to use some tools that can enhance your productivity, such as Copilot, ChatGPT, and all the rest. So I'm going to be teaching you basically what I use to work in the professional settings. I've got a lot of experience working with Silicon Valley companies and companies in Nigeria, and I'm going to be showing you all those tips that you need in order for you to do well. So let's get started because it's going to be hands-on. So first of all, I'm going to create a folder. So I right click. I'm using MacBook. So depending on what you're using, then you should be able to right click, and this is the new folder. It's on title. So I'm going to go to rename, and I'm going to simply